Alright, hello, I am Aaro. This is my first assignment to the CS50 web course. The name is project0 search. Now, the project is supposed to be a copy of google.com. It consists of 3 pages. The main page, a Google images page, it looks similar, and a Google advanced search page. Now, these work as you'd expect them to. For example, if we search for cat, it gives you the Google, this time the real Google results for cat. It's in Finnish, but you know. Also, if we type David Malan, sorry, it gives us the results for David Malan. And there's the Google Images page. If we this time we search for Brian Yu, it gives us images of Brian. The same thing. Let's say we want CS50 images, and we get images about CS50. Now, if we navigate using these buttons to advanced search, using this you could, let's say you want web pages containing the words Brian CS50 and CS50 and exactly hello world, but we do not want the word David or Malan. We do not want the words David or Malan in it. And then if we search, we get all the pages with Brian CS50 and Brian and CS50 in any order, and hello world exactly, but no David and Malan. These are the results. Yeah, there are nine pages of them. And also, if we want all the results about, let's say, cats. No, okay. No. Cats and CS50. Not cats and CS50. Cats or CS50. So here they are. All of these contain CS50, cat, or both. Then the main page has this I'm feeling lucky feature that works like if we normally search Harvard, we get these pages, and this would be the first result is the harvard.edu site. And if we just type Harvard and then I'm feeling lucky, it redirects us directly to the first result. It works the same, CS50, and I think we'll get about CS50 page. Yeah. Oh, it's the edX page. Well, also, as you can see, this thing looks a lot like the real thing, google.com. It's in dark mode and it's Christmas, but yeah. So anyway, I'm going to do the rest of these now, and thank you for watching.